how to share someone's profile on Instagram story. In order to do that, you may follow up this method. So open up your Instagram app, and once you open it up, you may go ahead and locate up the profile that you would like to share on your Instagram. So you may head over to a profile that you would like to share. For example, let's head over to this profile. So once you head over to the profile that you would like to share, in their profile interface, at the top right you should be finding a three dot. Go ahead and tap on it. After tapping on it, a menu appears. Now from the given menu, you may select the option called Share this profile. Go ahead and tap on it. And then after tapping on it, a menu appears. Along with the menu and the button, you should be finding Add to Story option. So go ahead and tap on that option. And then once you go ahead and tap on it, it will redirect you to your story section. So all you gotta do is place it like this. You may edit it out if you prefer. After that, tap on your story in the bottom left. And once you do that, the story should be posted. You may click on your story at the top and view your story like this. So when other people go ahead and tap on the See Profile option, it will directly lead over to another people's Instagram profile that you just shared. So that's it for now. You may follow up this method in order to share someone's profile on Instagram story. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you on the next one.